Welcome to the Annual Investors Forum of the Institute of Corporate Directors, or ICD. My name is Ricky Jacinto, and I'm the President and CEO of ICD. And according to my job description, this means that I have the privilege of acting as your MC for this afternoon and also moderating our open forum. As many of you are aware, this forum aims to promote the Philippines as an investment haven with a special emphasis on corporate governance because it assures investors, both local and foreign, of a level playing field. It is ICD's contribution to an overall effort that is being done in coordination with government regulators and private sector entities that we in ICD like to call Team Corporate Governance Philippines, or Team CG Philippines in short. This effort has begun to bear fruit, as witnessed by the recent award of investment grade status to the Philippines and the improved standing in the World Competitiveness Ranking. This effort is, as I said, part of an overall team contribution, and so I'd like to acknowledge the members of the team, beginning with the Securities and Exchange Commission, whose chairman, Teresita J. Herbosa, will be joining us later. The Governance Commission for GOCCs, or GCG, whose chairman, Cesar L. Villanueva, will also be joining us a bit later. The Insurance Commission, led by Commissioner Do, and also represented by Deputy Commissioner Vida Chong, and the Bangko Sentral. Apart from these regulators, Team CG Philippines is also composed of private sector organizations who share the same objective of nation building, such as the Good Governance Advocate and Practitioners of the Philippines, or GGAP, the Fund Managers Association of the Philippines, or FMAP, the Trust Officers Association of the Philippines, or TOAP, the Shareholders Association of the Philippines, SharePhil, the CFA Society of the Philippines, and of course, the Institute of Internal Auditors Philippines. These organizations are all represented here, and we thank all of you for joining us. The efforts of Team CG Philippines have not gone unnoticed and have attracted support from abroad. And so in that sense, we are very fortunate to be supported in this endeavor today, especially by the International Finance Corporation. And so without further ado, I'd like to move on and ask our chairman, the chairman of the Institute of Corporate Directors, Dr. Jesus P. Stanislao, to give the opening remarks and introduce the ASEAN Corporate Governance Scorecard. Dr. Diaz.